Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So we are from group 2, which is consists of me, Andini Fajarwati, and Ilva, and then Rizky. Will present and demonstrate about how to use Google Meet. So for Ilva, I invite you to present your part.
Okay, but before, I'm sorry I can't open my camera because my signal is really bad. So the contents, what we will present are the first, what is Google Meet, and then what are the features or menu on Google Meet, and the third is what is advantage and disadvantage of Google Meet. The last is how to use Google Meet. So the first, I will explain about what is Google Meet. Google Meet is a video chatting service designed primarily for business and office use, which lets colleagues chat over video and text. Google Meet, also known as Google Hangout Meet, and it's meant for use by businesses and other organizations, and it's a great way for colleagues who don't work in the same building to communicate. A Google Meet organizer can share whatever is on their screen with everyone on a call, and any participant can turn their own audio or video feed off at any time and participating however they want. At the first, the Google Meet just available for iOS in 2017, but now it's available for iOS, Android, and also website version. The second is what are the features on Google Meet? At the first, ability to conduct online meeting with dial numbers, and then encrypted calls among all its users, and then closed text generated by AI. The fourth is has the ability to join meetings from the web or via an application installed by Android and iOS smartphone users. Then integrated with Google Calendar for one-click meeting calls. Next is share the screen to present documents, spreadsheets, or presentation. And then if a G Suite Enterprise Edition user uses a dial-in number, the user password will be protected. The last is can invite up to 100 participants per call for basic Suite users, 150 people for G Suite business users, and 260 people per meeting for users who purchased a G Suite Enterprise plan. And also it has the chat box. And if you use the free calls, it's you can only have single host, and the participant is limited up to 100 participants, and also the time is up to 60 minutes. And for access to Google Meet, the participant must have Google account to access.
So next, I will tell you about advantage and disadvantage when we using Google Meet. Can everyone hear my voice?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. First, for advantage of using Google Meet is there is a whiteboard feature. What it is? Whiteboard feature where we can make words in the whiteboard feature. What are benefits of having a whiteboard feature on Google Meet? Now, we can be used as mean of explaining into the form of picture of or numbers, which is difficult to explain using oral. So Google Meet make it easy for user with it. And next is HD video display and other resolution support. The second advantage from Google Meet is HD quality for the video and resolution. And next is easy to use. And as we know, Google Meet is easy to use for you can use Google Meet easily and quickly. No need to bother with registration and requires a lot of steps for those of you who are new to Google Meet. You can and it shows how easy it is to operate. And the last one is video encryption service. Video encryption service today are most in video conference application. Why? With the video video encryption service, our data will not be misused. Google Meet provides this service to maintain the confidentiality of data for its users, so that we don't worry about the depth and sales of our data. Sorry, and this is the last advantages for Google Meet. We can invite up to 100 participants. And next slide, please, Andini. Okay, there is three disadvantages of Google Meet. First is not all facilities are free. For example, for inviting 100 participants, we must register first to Google and spend some money to get these features. And the second one is there is no data saving features yet. As we know, when we using calls video conference, our data will be large to use and wasteful, right? So I think we must suggest to Google, and hopefully Google will provide saving data features soon. I mean, and the last one is requires a stable internet networks. As we know, when our connection is bad, our voice and our video can be here and can be showing jadi kayak patah-patah gitu. Thank you.
So now I will show you how to make a room in Google Meet. So can you see my Google display?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sure.
So the first thing you should do is search about Google Meet on your Google. Okay. You can visit this site. It will appear like this. You can just click the Mulai Rapat button, start the meeting. Yeah. So it will automatically ask you to log into your account. I will just choose this one. Okay, I have to enter my password. Next. Now, wait, it's still loading.
Andini, Ilva, and Maul, how if we open the question session while we are still waiting for your Google Meet? How?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Yes, no problem,
Okay.
Miss. So, everyone, is there any questions?
No
I
worries.
want to ask.
Yes, your name?
Okay, mention your name, please.
Can we use virtual background in Google Meet?
As Andini said, Google Meet didn't have feature for virtual background because basically what I read in Google Meet situs, Google Meet is only provide video conference meeting, not like Zoom. We can edit our background, we can edit our filters. So that is the one of disadvantages of Google Meet. Google Meet didn't provide the virtual background. I think that's the answer.
Thank you, Maul and Andi.
Okay.
Humay use the filter,
Yes.
right? Humay use the filter. Okay.
Okay.
Andini, you can continue if you're ready to continue the demonstration.
Yeah, Miss. So this display will appear when you have logged into your account. So you can click this join or start a meeting. Now you can enter the meeting code or nickname, just nickname. My nickname is Andini. Okay. Continue. Engage. Okay, maybe next question because it will take.
Okay, next question. Yeah. Okay, next question, please.
Yep.
Yeah.
My name is Della. I want to ask, can Google Meet record the meeting?
Yes, it can. Yeah, Google Meet has also has the features to record our meeting, and you can the Google Meet will automatically save the recording to our Google Drive, so you can see the recording to your Google Drive.
May I ask?
Sure.
My name is Zahra. So are all of the participants need to have a Google account to join the meeting?
May I answer your question, Zahra?
Yes, please.
Sure.
Okay. As my experience using Google Meet, yes, you must have the Google account for joining the meeting on Google Meet, because that is the protection provide from Google to provide our personal security, and we must use our Gmail account, I think.
Okay, thank you, Maul.
You can click join now.
Okay, now we are still waiting. Maybe continue with the question, maybe?
Yeah.
I want to ask.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, my name is Ausan, and for mobile user, yes, they use apps or browser.
Okay, from my experience, when I will use Google Meet from mobile phone, when I click the link, it open the web, but the web asks us to download the application. So I think it must be an application for mobile phone.
Okay, thank you, Ilva.
Okay, thank you, Susan.
Okay, I think I have to start the demonstration. When we already click the join now button, so there will be a show like this, and you can copy joining info to invite your participant. Okay, copy, and you can invite your friends or your students or teacher. Nah, okay, already sent. This is the tab to show who is the participant that joining your Google Meet, and there also chat room. You can type your message here to your participant. Okay, nah. Okay, for the next button, this is for show you the clock. Yes, I think the clock. The time. This is for more option. You can choose another option. You can change layout. Layout is like the what is that? Tampilan for your Google Meet. Nah, you can admit Rizky Asidik. So now the participant is 2, me and Rizky. You can choose your layout here. Okay, we can close it. Rizky. Nah, for the siapa tadi yang nanya record? I think, aduh lupa. This is yeah, we can record we can record our meeting, and then we can settings for another settings like video resolution, and then video resolution for the participant and for the host. Yeah, you can use a phone for audio. It means like you connect the Google Meeting with your phone. Then you can full screen, blah blah blah. There are so much option here. You can present too. You can when in Zoom, this is the share screen button, but in Google Meet it's present now button. You can share your entire screen. You can share a window. Same like Google, Zoom Cloud. You just choose your window and share to your participant. You can turn on captions. Captions is like a subtitle. When you cannot hear what's the apa sih? What's the speaker speak, you can turn on the captions, so it will be show the subtitle, what's the speaker speaks. Okay, this is for the camera setting. You can turn on and you can turn off it. This is for the microphone settings. You can turn on and you can turn off too. And this is for the end call or leave call. If you already done with your meeting, you can leave call this meeting. So I just leave this meeting. Nah, so we can return to home screen or we can rejoin. All right, that's it, the demonstration for the Google Meet. So is there any comment or any questions again?
Is there any question for group Google Meet? No more question?
May I ask something? I'm Suri
Sure.
Kairani. What's the time limit for Google Meet?
I think it's already taught by Ilva before.
Oh, yes, sorry.
Okay, it's okay. The time limit if you use free calls is just for 60 minutes.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
1 hour.
1 hour, yes.
Yeah, for the free. Okay. Is there any question?
I want to ask.
Sure.
My name
Who?
is Nabila. My name is Nabila Putri. So, in your opinion, which is better, Zoom meeting or Google meeting?
For me, for Andini, it's Zoom. I choose Zoom.
Yeah,
For
it's
me,
same for me.
yeah, it's same for me too.
You're fine.
Because in Zoom, got advantage, Google Meet advantage.
And it can use any virtual background or any like what they and the others do. It's more interesting for me.
Okay. Is there another reason?
May I ask?
Sure.
Okay, my name is Ilma Nabila. I want to ask, is the Google Meet can be connected the live session with the YouTube or Instagram?
Kayaknya who will answer Ilma's question, guys?
Ilma, could you repeat your question, please?
Can the Google Meet connected the live session to the YouTube? So we can streaming the session in the Google Meet at the YouTube also.
For my experience, tadi, I just left Zoom first to join Google Meet. So I think it's not able to do two activities, live activities with Google Meet. So you must left one meeting or left one live activities like I do last second.
No,
last
I mean,
minute.
if we use Zoom, we can connect the live session in Zoom. If we do webinar, for example, in Zoom, and then we can also watch it in the YouTube. So how about Google Meet?
YouTube. Google Meet.
I think for what I search, it's need another what's that? Another application or website. It cannot directly streaming to YouTube. It needs OBS Studio to connect it to YouTube.
Great. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Yes.
Okay.
So
thank you.
to sum up, we can do the live streaming from the Google Meet, but need another features, right?
Yes, it needs OBS Studio apps.
Yeah. The another features. Next.
May I ask this?
Sure.
For the caption feature.
Who?
Oh, my name is Hesti.
Your name, please.
My name is Hesti.
Yeah, Hesti.
For the caption, should we setting first example English language or it automatically detected by Google Meet? Google Meet.
Okay, I will answer Hesti's question. For what I have experienced, the Google Meet will automatically detect our language. So when we speak in English, the subtitle or the caption will show in English too. So it shows what we speak, what we.
Thank you, Andini.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I think it's enough for the group 2. Please closing.
I think that's enough for us. I'm sorry for our mistakes and hope you enjoy our presentation. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, big applause to group 2, Google Meet. Thank you.